Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this basic everyday look and we are using the Venice Fling palette by Bailey. I guess it's in collaboration with the state, but everyone knows it as being Bailey's palette. If you are not familiar with her, she does true crime stories as she applies her beautiful makeup, and she is very talented. Nobody can deny that she's very talented. But I was asked to go ahead and review this, so that is what I'm going to do, as well as this look. So the review will be towards the end if that's what you're here for, but if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so first off we're gonna prime. We're gonna prime with Pretty Fresh by ColourPop, and my eyelids are gonna be primed with Morphe. Okay, so now we are going to conceal again with ColourPop Pretty Fresh. I think I got a little carried away with concealer, but that's okay. We are moving on to foundation, which is Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion. Okay, so that is done. Now to pretend I have eyebrows, I am going to use the brow bar here. Okay, so now we are moving into eyeshadow, and we of course are using the Venice Fling by Bailey. And I am not using all the colors. I have played with this a little bit, and of course I will give you all my thoughts on this palette towards the end. But for this, I'm going to stick with this color, and this color, I think. I might use this one too, but it's going to be those. So I'm going to start off with probably this one right here, I think. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this color here, which is Bonfire. Okay, so now I'm going to take this ocean color right in the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Puppy Love. Take a clean brush and just kind of blend it out and kind of make it look a little more smooth. Okay, so now we're going to go under the eyes, and I'm going to use this color here And then I'm probably just going to buff it out with these two right here. For bottom eyeliner, I am using Marc Jacobs. Alright, for top liner, I am using a liquid liner from Ella Mask. Alright, for mascara, we are going to use a curling mascara. This is Ultra Curl from Miko Beauty, and I'm going to use this first, and then I'm going to go over the outer edges with the Marc Jacobs just to give my lashes a little more oomph. Okay, so that is it of the eyes. Now we are going to give the face a little more dimension, and I am going to go into this bronzing and sculpting palette from So Season called Summer Skin. We're going to use this one palette for highlight and blush. This is actually from Ipsy. They did a Betty Boop collection a while ago, and that is what I'm going to use. Going to go over everything with a little bit of setting powder. I am using Ciat London Everyday Vacay because, again, I love the coconut smell, and it's almost empty, but you know, that's fine. I've got other setting powders. So I'm going to use this lip color from Private Society. This is in color Bougie. Kind of goes with it. So that's what we're going with for lip color. Alright, now to set, I am using ColourPop Pretty Fresh again. And I am using Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. Okay, so that is my finished look with the palette, so let's go ahead and talk about it. I'm going to go and swatch this real quick and we will talk about it. Okay, so these are the colors swatched, and I only used 4 of the colors, but they are very pretty. They swatch pretty, they apply beautifully. This is not my first use of this. I have used it a few times to be able to confidently tell you that this wears very nicely. Now, when I first got the palette, I thought to myself that people are probably buying this because of Bailey, right? And they probably are. And I'm going to be honest, there is nothing really unique about this color story. It's very common. You can get this in so many brands, so many collections. The color story, not unique at all. but it is very much so Bailey. So if you're like going to support her and you really like her colors, then you're gonna love this. It's great. The formula is great. I have no complaints about the formula. I think it's amazing. Do I think that it's a gimmick? Actually, no, I don't. I was thinking it probably would be gimmicky because it's endorsed by her kind of thing, but it actually wears really nicely and applies very nicely, so I don't really have any complaints. So that is it of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts on this palette and this look. And if you would like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.